I'm Dr. Pinto at Advanced Chiropractic of Virginia, and Beth Spratt has arrived. And Beth, tell us what was going on. You were playing soccer.
Right, about a year and a half I was playing soccer, and I got hit really hard from another gentleman playing indoor soccer, and my neck, I think it was whiplash, it just was killing me.
You're playing with the boys and the men.
Yeah.
Well,
they're more fun.
That's part of the reason, but anyway, so you did have a couple car accidents, though, prior to that.
Yes.
And you did experience some symptoms after those wrecks, yes?
Minor, yeah.
Yeah, and then you got exacerbated by this thing. And so tell us, you were in pain for about a year and a half, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and tell us what you did to try to alleviate that.
Well, I started with my regular doctor, and then we went on to a chiropractor, and I've been adjusted over and over. The neck pain just got worse. I mean, I stopped going to him. It just got much worse. Went to another doctor, an orthopedic doctor, who had done my surgery on my knee, and then found you. I came here.
Okay, so you've been to 4 different doctors, and you were also taking, what, over-the-counter Aleve and stuff like that?
Right.
Or, okay.
Right.
And you were having headaches, what, every other day, or sometimes 2 weeks straight?
Yeah, sometimes they were consistent.
Well, that's horrible.
Yeah.
So did that keep you from doing the things you like to do?
Absolutely. Couldn't keep up with my kids, couldn't play sports anymore.
That's horrible. And you also had some low back pain, right?
Yes.
So you used your head to beat down the men, and then it translated all the way down. So when we did the Atlas orthogonal program, the technique where we adjusted the first vertebrae, the Atlas, you found instant relief.
Yes, it was amazing. I was very emotional about it, actually.
Okay, so really, and you felt warmth all the way down, like I described, and then you kind of felt lightheaded, right?
Yeah.
And your kind of center of gravity was kind of changed.
Yeah.
So if you look up here, Donnie, what we addressed is the Atlas. The Atlas in Greek mythology holds up the world, holds up your head. And right here is basically all the controls of the body. And we took x-rays and we got measurements of the skull, the lower cervical spine, the displacement of the Atlas, and the rotation of the Atlas. And we came up with a mathematical equation. We used the Atlas as a lever, leveling this and straightening everything all the way down. And using this instrument here, if you look over here, Donnie, this delivers 6 pounds of force. And we had you on the side of displacement, placing this by your ear, delivering 9 pounds of force, which is like a finger touch, and bringing you upright and leveling this and taking the pressure off the vertebral artery, the spinal nerve, and the spinal cord by lining everything up, by blocking the skull and pushing the Atlas around the condyles. Now, if you look over here, Donnie, can you see this poster right here? This poster, if you look, that the body compensates. The Atlas is displaced, hitting the 2 spinal nerves, causing all 6 layers of muscle to contract, and muscles in the shoulder and the jaw, the splenomandibular muscle in the jaw, and the recte spinal muscles and all the shoulder muscles contracting and making a short leg. And now body compromises and all sorts of feedback loops are broken. The brandykinins and substance P irritate the nerve roots, and it's a runaway train. So we adjusted her and brought her upright, and now the weight's evenly distributed on both hips, both knees, both ankles. And your headaches are a lot better, yes?
Yes.
And neck pain is instantaneously better.
Fantastic. Yeah.
Okay, and the low back is still, there's some residual there, but we're working right now. You're out of pain in the low back, correct?
Yeah, I feel great right now.
Okay. Okay, we just adjusted her. So it was a very successful thing. Would you recommend this to your friends and family?
Yes, I wish I had
very
come a long
good.
time ago.
Okay, good. And we would like to maybe bring this to other doctors so they realize that this is a safe, effective, without drugs or surgery, and that we are specialty in that we don't crack and pop and manipulate. We just use a very precise measurement off of x-rays, and everything we do is pre and post, and make sure that we have it right, and then we leave it alone. So I'm really happy that you got the results that you did, and hopefully we can help a lot of others. And hopefully some of the other doctors will realize that this can be a tool in their toolbox. And I thank you. This is Dr. John Pinto at Atlas Orthogonal Advanced Chiropractic of Virginia, and we hope to help as many people as we can. Thanks a lot.